All right, time now for the WION Newsroom. I'll now be joined by my colleagues Kanishka Sarkar, who will break down the big business stories shaping your money and the economy. We also have Nikita Singh, who will bring us all the updates from technology, and Athira Shashidharan, who will take us through all the action from sports. Let's start with the market updates. Kanishka, over to you.
Thank you, Shivan. Lots of updates coming in. Now, global markets are reacting to fresh tensions in West Asia. Let's start with the markets. Asian equities mostly traded lower, while US stock futures, they were little changed as investors are assessing the latest developments. They also await minutes from the US Federal Reserve's June policy meeting for further cues. Japan's Nikkei 225 at close 2% lower. South Korea's Kospi fell more than 5% and entered a bear market. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index, that has extended early gains. It rose to about 3%, while mainland China's CSI 300 was down about 0.3%. The impact, of course, was also visible in India. The Sensex fell over 650 points and the Nifty slipped below the 24,200 mark. Oil marketing companies, airline, auto and paint stocks were among the biggest losers. This as rising crude prices raised concerns over higher costs. The rupee also weakened further against the US dollar. And now the market reaction. It follows fresh US action against Iran. Washington launched strikes after 3 commercial vessels were attacked in the Strait of Hormuz. The US Treasury has also revoked a waiver that had allowed Iran to sell in global markets. Now, this move has renewed concerns over global crude supplies, with the Strait of Hormuz remaining one of the world's most important shipping routes. Oil prices, they climbed after the latest escalation. Brent crude rose above $76 a barrel, while US crude, that traded above $72. Now, normally, a major escalation in West Asia drives investors straight to safe haven gold. Yet, there was an initial dip in gold prices before edging higher towards that $4,118 an ounce mark. The gains remained limited, though, by a stronger US dollar, that is, and expectations around future interest rates. Investors will now closely watch the developments in West Asia and also signals from the Federal Reserve for further direction. And that is it from business. For latest tech updates, now let's go to Nikita.
So much, Kanishka. First up, Meta has introduced Muse Image, its first image generation model from Meta Superintelligence Labs, powering new AI features across its apps. Now, the model can generate and edit images using text prompts, photos, sketches, and annotations. Meta is also adding more than 30 AI effects to Instagram stories and bringing AI image generation to WhatsApp chats in select countries. While basic features will remain free, advanced tools will be available through Meta's paid subscription plans, with an early preview of the Muse video AI model also announced. Next up, the US cybersecurity agency CISA is using Anthropic's Mythos AI model to scan government software for security flaws. The AI is being used to identify bugs that could be exploited by foreign hackers or cyber criminals. According to Reuters, the audits have already detected a large number of vulnerabilities, though details have not been disclosed. And lastly, X has introduced new video editing and recording features to help creators produce more original content on the platform. The update adds multi-language video captions, customizable text styles, and green screen tools using photos from a phone's gallery or other X posts. X says the new tools are designed to reduce dependence on recycled content and support creators with better content creation features. Well, that's it from the world of tech. Now, my colleague Athra would be taking you through some sports updates across the globe. Over to you, Athra.
Thank you so much, Nikita. Here are the top sports stories we're tracking for you at this hour. We'll begin with football first, where Argentina stared elimination in the face before unleashing a remarkable second-half fight back to break Egyptians' hearts. The defending champions now are through to the quarterfinals of the World Cup. The reigning world champions had looked set for a shock exit against Egypt, who led 2-0. But they turned the game round. Romero halved the deficit 11 minutes from time. Lionel Messi then equalized 5 minutes later. Enzo Fernandez completed the comeback 2 minutes into the injury time. Argentina will now face Switzerland for a place in the semi-finals. Argentina now are 3 wins away from becoming the first team to win back-to-back titles since Brazil in 1962. Meanwhile, Egypt head coach Hassan has claimed that his sides were cheated out of a place in the World Cup quarterfinals. He also accused FIFA of wanting Messi and Argentina to remain in the tournament. Over in cricket now, India suffered their worst ever T20 defeat in terms of runs. They slumped to a mammoth 125-run loss to England at Brentford. After being asked to bat first, England posted 201 for 7 with Phil Salt making 70. Jofra Archer and Josh Chung then tore through Indian batting lineup as India were bundled out for 76. India's previous record run loss in a T20 was an 80-run defeat to New Zealand at Wellington in 2019. The defeat also follows India's shock 2-0 series loss to Ireland last month. The victory gives England a 2-0 lead in the series with 2 matches still remaining. Lastly, in tennis, Novak Djokovic booked his place in the 2026 Wimbledon semi-finals, beating Felix Auger-Aliassime on centre court. The match set the record as the longest ever Wimbledon quarterfinal. The 7-time champion won the match 7-6, 3-6, 6-3, 6-7, 7-6 in 5 hours and 59 minutes. Djokovic will now play reigning champion and top seed Jannik Sinner for a place in the final. Well, with that, we have come to the end of the sports segment. It's back to you, Shimon.
Athira, thanks so much for those updates. That's a wrap on the newsroom for this segment. Also a thank you to Nikita and Kanishka for getting us all those technology and market updates.